Logger.Info not working in Django logging. Following is the logging snippet I have used in my Django settings.py file. All the GET, POST requests are getting written to log, but when I wrote Logger.Info, print something, it's not getting printed/captured in console as well as the log file. Please suggest a workaround to capture Logger.Info logs. Views.py. Settings.py, debug equals true and debug_mode equals false in settings.py file. Log data generated as follows.
It's probably because your views module doesn't have a logging level set, so it will inherit the root logger's default level of warning. If you add a root entry with a level of info, similarly to the documented examples, you should see messages from other modules. Alternatively, you can specify logger names under the logger's key for your specific module hierarchy, whatever that is. Your example only overrides the warning level for modules in the Django hierarchy, i.e. code in Django itself.
In the example you provided, you are only setting the log level for the Django logger. That logger controls the log level for Django.request, Django.server, Django.template. If you are looking to set the log level for your own apps, you need to set the log level for that particular app's logger, or set it for all apps using a configuration like below. The unnamed logger will process records from all loggers. More info here, this URL.
Iwan sa channel, i-kasalayan sa sabi.